Wake up slow, greet the sun's embrace. In our tiny kitchen, time finds no race. With gentle hands, we start to weave a Sunday morning you'll believe. Mix dreams in a bowl, let them rise. Turn whispers to wonders and open skies. In every blend, a spark ignites, crafting magic beneath the morning lights. This is our supercharged Sunday, from little sparks to a blazing shine. No clock to chase, no rush to find. We brew our joy, one step aligned. With a whisk of hope, a simmered dream, we mold our stories a flowing stream. In Sunday's gentle golden hue, we find our start in something true. No oven will improvise the plan. Find warmth in laughter as dreams expand. With hands that mend, with hearts so bold, we write our tales in rising dough. Herbs and whispers of flavor's grace. In every sip, we find our place. Through spice and stir, a gentle art. We stitch a Sunday with love's chart. This is our supercharged Sunday, from little sparks to a blazing shine. No clock to chase, no rush to find. We brew our joy, one step aligned. With a whisk of hope, a simmered dream, we mold our stories a flowing stream. In Sunday's gentle golden hue, we find our start in something true. So gather round, let creativity start. Turn ordinary moments into art, where mishaps turn to dances bright. In Sunday's glow, we take our flight. This is our supercharged Sunday, from little sparks to a blazing shine. With healing hands and open hearts, we blend our dreams as love imparts. Each dish, each drop, a crafted song. In Sunday's spirit, we belong. We are the dreamers, bold. We start with sparks and empty bowls, ideas rising fresh and bold. A little salt, a little sweet, stories told through every treat. We're stirring more than just the dough, we're feeding hearts we'll never know. Each frame we shoot, each word we write, is kindling someone's inner light. So let's bake the world together, one Sunday spark at a time. With rolling pins and open hands, we rise, we pour, we climb. From every mix and measured move to every recipe we prove, we're purpose, season grace in every reel. We find our place through failed attempts and finished plates. We learn the art of what it takes. The no-bakes chill, the herbs infuse. Even silence finds its use. It's not about the viral run, it's showing up until it's done. Let's bake the world together, one Sunday spark at a time. With rolling pins and open hands, we rise, we pour, we climb. From every click to every cheer, we build a bond that feels sincere. We're the mixers, the believers, the bold-hearted recipe weavers. On Supercharged Sunday we shine. So tag your tribe, ignite your light. Let shadows fall, we own the night. Your channel's not just food or clay, it's soul-made, shareable your way. Yeah, we'll bake the world together like warm bread breaking through. Every like, each heartfelt word is proof our dreams come true. So here's to makers in the mix, with steady hands and healing tricks. On this Supercharged Sunday, we don't just create, we connect. And in this kitchen of creators, we're forever linked, forever blessed.